Hey there everyone, this is Becca from YouCanBookMe, and today I'm going to show you the two core different ways that you can set up your availability for your booking page. Those are repeating availability and calendar managed availability. And I'm going to share with you how to figure out which one's right for you. The first one is how do you get to it? When you log into your YouCanBookMe account, this is a per booking page setting. But when you go into your booking page, click when, as in when are you available? That makes sense. And you'll see here the two things we're talking about today, repeating availability and calendar managed. Starting off with repeating, this is if you want to have the same availability week over week over week. If it's very basic, you don't have a ton of edits, and there's still ways to work around days off, don't worry, or appointments or whatever else. But if you are going to have pretty standard hours, repeating is the way to do it. So I've got it set right now that I am available Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. till 3 p.m. Yes, I start early. I'm a crazy person. But let's edit this. Maybe I don't want to take meetings on Mondays because nobody wants that. I got stuff to do. Maybe on Fridays, I need the afternoon to focus. Cool. What if I want a lunch break on Tuesdays? Let's cut me off at 1:30, and then we're gonna hit the little plus sign here, and maybe I want an hour for lunch on Tuesdays, and then I'm gonna work until 4. Cool. I am not working 10-hour days, guys. These are examples. Maybe we want to get really weird on Wednesdays. Maybe I want lots of breaks. Maybe I want to do that. Cool. I'm gonna work 6:30 till 11. Then I'm going to be available for meetings again from 12 till 1, from 2 till 3, from 4 till 5, and from 6 till 7. That's Looney Tunes. Don't do that to yourself. But I mean, you can if you want to. So every single day can be completely customized. Let's edit one more just for funsies. We're going to start early, and we're going to have a half an hour break, and then have 1 more hour of availability. As you can see, every day is different. Let's sleep in on Fridays too. Biggest thing, hit save, please. Cool. So that's repeating availability. It's that simple. Your booking page availability will reflect it. So because I took Mondays out of my availability, I have no Mondays showing in August. If I took Thursdays out, look at that, my preview, if I hit save, as I just told you need to, as soon as I unclicked Thursdays disappeared. But what if I want to also save myself some energy? Maybe this is silly. Maybe I just want my Tuesday schedule every day. I can click copy to all, and all the days that are checked off, that's my new schedule. Look, they all look the same now. I can add in Thursday. They're all identical. Easy peasy. Well, no, I didn't copy it to this one because it was clicked off. There we go. I'm back to just Tuesdays to Fridays because I don't do Monday meetings. They suck. That's it for repeating. But what if I have a day off? In fact, look at this. The 28th is missing. Why is it missing? Well, I probably have something in my schedule. But just for funsies, let's look at August 13th. We're going to go into August 13th. And we're going to put an event in the calendar that says day off. And we're going to make it... I don't want that. No, thank you. I just want an event. And I want it to set to busy, meaning I'm not available to take meetings. Let's save that, and let's look at the booking page. Once I refresh, August 13th, gone out of my availability because I put an event in my calendar that marked me as busy the whole day. Cool. What if I just want to take a half day off on August 13th? Let's try that instead. We're going to take this, we're going to edit in my calendar directly. We don't even have to log into YouCanBookMe. Let's just say that I am going to close my laptop for the day at 1 o'clock and be done. Cool. And it's marked as busy. Sure, it can be called a day off still. So, as you can see, I've got some time in my schedule, and then I've got day off. Ignore these blue ones. That's a different calendar. Just go with me here. Now, let's refresh. August 13th, we have availability again. That's neat. What does it look like? Ends at noon because I said I want to be off at noon. Cool. Or I said off at 1, it ends at noon. Love that for me. So it's that simple. Put things in your calendar, things automatically disappear from your availability. So you book a dentist and manually put it into your booking page, it will disappear from your availability automatically because the things are talking to each other. And that's repeating availability. It's super simple. But what if you don't want to start at 6:30 every Tuesday? What if your days are super fluid? Calendar managed availability is a bit more of a hands-on one, and it can be really helpful. Let's switch it over. It's making sure I want to. Yes. First of all, we're going to set our generic hours. So I like to recommend that you set these for as wide as you would ever want to work. So my usual day starts at 6:30. Let's go 6 to 5 every day. We're going for broad here. This is not actually the hours you're going to be available, but these rules are going to restrict when you can take meetings. And we're going to choose an event title. We're going to call it open. I'll show you why in just a moment. And when do my meetings start? Every half an hour? I like that. Okay. So what does this mean? In my calendar, you'll notice I have all these fun little events that say open. These are saying I am available to take meetings in those time slots. They're just a regular event set as free. This is important. They have to be set as free. But let's look at August 13th again. We're going to get rid of that day off. I've currently got it that I'm open from 7 till 3, but that I've got 2 appointments in here already. Well, maybe I want to start earlier, just this event, and maybe I want to be off at 11. You'll notice I'm just moving the open thing. I'm not putting in a time off. I'm just moving the open thing to say 6:30 till 11. Cool. Let's look at August the 13th now. Well, because I've got in my calendar an existing meeting, it's got me available from 8 till 10:30 because I've got my open cutting off at 11 and I've got a meeting in the morning. So it can't possibly book me during a meeting I already have. And that's it. My availability for the 13th is now those times. But I have no Mondays in here, but I did put Mondays in my availability. So what if, just for funsies, I want to take meetings on Monday, August 10th? Well, I'm going to move this open slot and put it wherever the heck I feel like it. We're going to do afternoon meetings on August 10th. Cool. Now, if we come back to our calendar, August 10th, the Monday, is back. It's available now. And it's only in the afternoon because that's where I put it. So it's that simple. Those are the 2 different kinds of availability that you can have with YouCanBookMe. Thank you so much for watching.